आपको जब इस तरफ आना हो तब आप हम रेडी।
चलो अभी क्या बात है। Wow.
I got locked out.
I'm thinking I'll just drive without you. Bye. Get poppin', get locked in. When you fly Canadian Moroccan, no gateway, no stopping. Open up door, knock, knocking. Boy, I'm a sexy girl. Where are we?
We are on the coastal road, girl. Isn't this fab?
This is so cool. क्या बोलते हैं पब्लिक?
मराठी रोमांस सिखाता हूँ।
Okay.
हाँ ठीक है, कैमरे में देखने का और बोलने का। जेवलीस
का? Angelina.
Angelina.
Come here.
Come here.
When we do this,
Yeah.
which means beat the F out of you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you.
Angelina.
Angelina Warwick.
Angelina.
Angelina. Whatever happened to me in the last 4 years, if you knew, you'd be like, I understand why you're spiritual and you're praying. The thing is, it wasn't your typical heartbreak. मैं नहीं कह सकती कि cheating हो रही थी या बेवफा था या ऐसा नहीं था. It was something out of this world. Right now in the West, we have too many people who encourage the ideology of I can do everything by myself. I can even have kids by myself. Yes, you can. But why are we encouraging that? I believe in feminism, but I do not believe in radical feminism. Not that I want to normalize bullying. I just don't want to normalize being oversensitive. I think Gen Z आजकल थोड़ा oversensitive होते हैं. Man up, you know. क्या बोला? You know?
ये गुंडागर्दी सिखा रही है लड़की।
It's actually Fethi.
Fethi?
But no, Fethi. And you go hard on the H.
Fethi?
Yeah.
इधर नारियल पानी किधर मिलेगा?
नारियल पानी चाहिए।
क्या गुड्डी टाइप बिहेव करती
है? मेरे को नारियल पानी चाहिए।
यही तो ड्रीम थी जिंदगी में, हंडे आयोनिक में बैठ के नौरा बाजू में गाना गाएंगे, नारियल पानी पिएंगे, घर जाएंगे।
बस यही है।
Let me know when you're ready, okay?
I think we're good.
Okay, let me know when you're ready.
Okay,
ready to roll.
I'm ready because there's no saving this hair.
Really?
No.
That's just what humidity do.
That's it. It was really herring when I first did it at home. Now it's just sad. Just give me 1 second. I just need to put a little color so we don't look like we're dying.
भाई लिप बाम दो ना, लिप बाम। Okay, you have like minus 30 seconds. Ready?
I'm good.
Hi Nora, welcome back to the Bombay journey.
Yes, this time solo.
This time solo, सिर्फ आपके साथ हम करेंगे.
हाँ जी.
And this is presented by the Hyundai Ioniq 5, the all-electric SUV. So we're driving in an electric car. That's all I wanted to say.
It's a vibe.
It's a vibe, no?
It is. Yeah, definitely. It's
I love
good.
that.
It's
You have a
giving
different vocab going also. Very Gen Z girl.
Yeah. Oh man.
जब हम पहले मिले थे तब आप मडगांव एक्सप्रेस की सिर्फ प्रमोशन कर रही थी।
जी।
फिर मैंने जाके वो पिक्चर देखी।
हाँ।
And I was like, ये कौन है?
No way.
I was like, whoa, this is super cute because you're being so like radically different in multiple other kind of avatars in the same film.
Yeah, you're right actually. Huh.
With Remo sir, it's a different vibe. With Tiwari, it's a different vibe, and in the end, you confuse the two boys, and that's a different vibe.
Right? No? Yeah.
कितना मजा आ रहा है?
बहुत मजा आया था. Means like जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी थी, I was like, okay, ये बहुत funny है. But जब हम set में थे, and the actors were executing the scene, then I'm like, no, this is not funny. This is hilarious.
Oh really?
Hilarious means like rone wala funny, you know, it's just like tears coming out and you can't stop laughing. It's that.
Yeah.
It was the way Kunal just took what was on paper and brought it to life. It's hard to do that as a director. बहुत सारे directors हैं हमारी industry में, but not all can, you know, just figure out the formula. Comedy मुश्किल है
ना?
इतना आसान नहीं है. You think it's funny, but when you're watching it, it's cringe.
Yeah.
It's very, very simple to go into the cringe.
That's so true.
Situation.
That's so true.
So yeah, I'm glad you liked it.
Yeah, no. And उसके बाद ऐसा सैलाब आया क्या आपको calls का कि अब नोरा दी एक्टर चाहिए हमें?
Yeah. Actually, yeah.
क्या हुआ? क्या
calls आ रही हैं, अभी भी आ रही हैं. I got a lot of calls from people I did not expect. You know,
अच्छा जी।
calls, and some people didn't call. Some people tweeted. You know, Kia, who knew Nora could be funny? You know, so that was interesting. But the response बहुत अच्छा था. And क्या होता है कि कभी-कभी जब आप तीनों एक्टर्स के साथ हैं जो बहुत अच्छे एक्टर्स हैं, हो सकता है कि you're not seen, you're not noticed. You know, it happens. So पहले मुझे लगता था कि यार
तो वो डर था आपको?
हाँ वही ना, मुझे लगा था कि शायद I would be unseen, unnoticed, or maybe हाँ वो अच्छी थी, मतलब अच्छी लग रही थी, nice, cute, you know, but I'm really overwhelmed and I feel so lucky that people mentioned me as a performer, and I think कि बहुत टाइम से मैं वेट कर रही थी इस मोमेंट के लिए.
Superb.
Yeah.
But हम मुंबई में चल रहे हैं तो बांद्रा की अगर कोई कहानियां हैं तो वो बता दो अभी हमें.
बांद्रा में कुछ नहीं, मतलब बांद्रा में मैं रहती हूँ. हाँ, so I remember. Yeah, that's it. मुझे याद है कि जब मैं यारी रोड में रहती थी उस टाइम में मैं हमेशा सोच रही थी कि एक दिन ना जब मैं सक्सेसफुल होने वाली हूँ मैं बांद्रा में रहूँगी. And that was the
manifestation.
Yeah, that was the standards.
Yeah.
कि you know अगर आप बांद्रा में हो ना, you've really made it.
Yeah.
So I live in Bandra now. And it's cool. It's a vibe. Yeah, Bandra is a cool place to be.
You got your food places here, your cafes here, that sort of a thing? No?
मैं सिर्फ घर वाला का खाना
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
खाती हूँ. Yeah.
क्या खाती हो आप?
Moroccan food usually. Yeah.
What is Moroccan food? And Nora, I'm sorry if I come across as ignorant, but I want to know because it gets mixed into other kinds of cuisines a lot, right?
Like Morocco's cuisine, Morocco का भाषा, Morocco का culture, Morocco का सब कुछ मिक्स हो जाता है मिडिल ईस्टर्न
है ना. वही तो
जो गलत है. और आई थिंक स्पेशली अभी मेरा नया गाना जो अभी रिलीज हुआ है नोरा, उसमें मोरक्कन कल्चर है, उसमें मोरक्कन
ज्यादा सोचने की आप लोगों को जरूरत नहीं है. नोरा बाय नोरा
बस. हाँ, इतना इजी है. सो when we were promoting it in like Dubai and all these places, मैंने रियलाइज किया कि अरे सब लोग को लगता है कि मोरक्को मिडिल ईस्ट सेम चीज़ है, सेम भाषा है, सेम सब कुछ है, बट वो तो नहीं है. मतलब भी हम तो मिडिल ईस्टर्न नहीं है, हम अरबी में नहीं बात करते. हमारे पास हमारी भाषा है. सो देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट पीपल डोंट नो. इवन विथ फूड वी हैव लाइक, so just recently this week apparently we won like the best cuisine in the world. It's
really?
Moroccan cuisine, yeah. So apparently I even posted it, which is superb. And हमारे cuisine में couscous है, tagine है, especially tagine. It's a really like, if you taste
क्या
it.
होता है? What is in it?
So basically we cook it in a clay pot.
Okay.
I don't know if you ever seen a pot like this, and it's made out of clay.
Okay.
तो उसमें सब spices है. अगर आपको chicken चाहिए तो chicken हो सकता है. अगर आपको meat चाहिए तो meat, lamb. Vegetarian tagine भी होता है.
अच्छा जी.
So it just tastes so good.
And what else do you do after? You shut the...
We shut it. We mix everything. We shut it, and it just cooks and it simmers. And then, so हमारे culture में.
I can see you salivating.
Oh my God! Right now, I'm gonna go home and eat. So हमारे culture में सब लोग के साथ खाते हैं, मतलब family के साथ खाते हैं एक tagine से. And we eat with bread in our hands and stuff like that. So it's a moment of gathering each other. So we have that, and हमारे पास couscous है, वो भी इतना delicious है, इतना tasty है.
अभी हम आपको ये बताना चाहते हैं कि ये क्या, is this your first time on the coastal road?
Yeah, where are we?
We are on the coastal road, girl. Isn't this fab?
This is so cool. यार देख लो डेवलपमेंट कितनी अच्छी है.
Crazy
है ना, कितनी तेज से जा रही थी. This is something to be proud of.
Do you have any favorite Mumbai slang?
No, but you want to teach me some?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can teach you.
चलो.
क्या बोलती बच्ची, you know ना?
क्या बोलते बच्चे?
क्या बोलते बच्ची? क्या बोलते पब्लिक?
हाँ, पब्लिक. हाँ, पब्लिक लोग क्या बोलते हैं?
क्या बोलती रे पब्लिक?
हाँ.
और थोड़ा फील लेको ना.
और फील?
हाँ, क्या बोलती रे पब्लिक?
क्या बोलते हैं पब्लिक?
ये थोड़ा ऐसा मराठी रोमांस सिखाता हूँ.
Okay.
हाँ ठीक है, कैमरे में देखने का और बोलने का जेवलिस का.
हाँ?
जेवलिस का.
हाँ. बट मतलब
खाना खाया क्या?
जेवलिस का. है ना? There you go.
Cute. You should go closer to the camera. It's just you and the person is being sent to. जेवलिस्का.
Javliska?
हाँ, perfect. Okay.
Perfect?
Yes.
Okay. Thank
वो
you.
आप लोग बताएंगे perfect है कि नहीं.
अरे यार, guys, जब मैं घर से निकलती थी, बाल और सब कुछ अच्छा था. और
घर
अभी
से निकली थी
सब कुछ अच्छा था.
अभी आप एक्साइट हो कैसे वुश वुश करेंगी तो ऐसे होएगा ना फिर.
नहीं, मॉनसून के वजह से
है ना. This is a definitive problem that I've heard of also.
Terrible. Do you not go through it?
Men don't go through it as much, or so I think. I could be wrong. Other men can comment and let me know.
You don't want to piss off men with long hair?
नहीं मतलब ऐसा हाँ जरूर जब आपके लंबे बाल होते होंगे तो फ्रिज और ह्यूमिडिटी की इश्यूज आती होंगी आपको ना.
What were we saying?
We were talking about you teaching me some slang.
Yes,
from Morocco.
me teaching you some slang. Oh.
You're trying to be careful also while at
I'm
it.
so yeah, because we swear a lot. So I mean,
Okay.
I do at least. I don't want to get. In
You
trouble.
swear a lot.
Yeah.
When
I'm just like it's just not part of my personality.
मतलब
I
हिंदी में
express myself.
हिंदी में नहीं करती आप.
कभी
क्या है
नहीं अभी नहीं.
सिर्फ स्टार्ट का वर्ड बताओ. नहीं
मजाक कर रही थी, मुझे swear words नहीं आते हैं.
Moroccan slang जो सिखा रही थी वो सिखाओ.
Okay, so this is tough for me to slang because I mean I don't really know slang like that because I don't live in Mumbai.
Why are you being cute?
But because I'm like, okay, Ajilena, come here.
Come here.
Yeah,
That's it.
Ajilena.
How's that? Oh, that's like just who'll दे रहे हो आप. Ajilena.
Ajilena Norrik. Let me show you. Come over here. Let me show you. And then we do this,
Yeah.
which means beat the F out of you.
Yeah.
I'm gonna show you.
Okay, do that same thing again. Whole thing again. Ajilena.
Ajilena Norrik.
Ajilena.
Ajilena. Yeah. And then you want to add an abuse, you can for effect.
Okay.
But we won't today.
We won't.
Yeah.
Clean. For the PG-13 version,
Norrik.
1000 कमेंट करो.
Yes.
नोरा वापस हो रहा ताकि हम लोग वापस लेके आ पाए. कैसे भी लिरिक्स में भी आने लग गए हैं आजकल.
Today first of all you have to learn my Darija lyrics from my new song.
Yeah, perfect.
You have to.
See, listen, I have something ADAS level 2, so I'm going to put this on cruise control.
Okay. Oh.
Okay. So
you could do that?
Yeah, of course. And it will know that we have a distance of, see, look at that.
Oh wow.
So distance 4 is 4 cars, 3 cars, 2 cars and 1 car.
I love that.
Yeah, now we go to Spotify and we...
I love it. Stream my new song on Spotify. Nora. Play Nora. Siri. Play my new song.
Here's Nora on Spotify.
Better be my song.
Yeah.
नहीं ये सब नहीं ये गलत है. नहीं ये सही है.
ये सही है ना?
Woo! Yeah! Give me some shoulders. Hey. Some shoulders. Let's go.
Keep popping, get locked in. When you fly, Canadian Moroccan. No gateway, no stopping. Open up door, not knocking. Boy, I'm a sexy girl. Just for a top 10 in the world. Picture me.
Did you know that?
No.
I was voted top 10 in the world. Sexiest woman.
That's what we're talking about.
That's why it's in the lyrics.
Woo!
It's facts.
Facts.
Yes. Say it. Just go to top 10 in the world.
Just top 10 in the world.
Okay.
Come throw love in the air. Now watch me making moves from India, Morocco. Now give me both your ears. I wanna tell you quelque chose.
Do you know what it means?
Now give me both your ears. I'll show you what it.
I want to tell you quelque chose.
Quelque chose.
chose is a French word for something.
Oh wow!
Yeah.
How many bhasha are
I
in एक song?
know, right? We're multicultural. So basically, I'm saying that. Give me both your ears. I want to tell you something. I'm gonna tell you what's up from
That's
India,
what's happening.
Morocco. So basically, the story behind why we wrote these lyrics. Now watch me making moves from India, Morocco. It's the actual success story.
Yeah.
So making moves can be like a metaphor for two things, like A, the actual dancing, and
Be like life moves.
literally life moves. Oh my god, I love you because you get it.
Yes, thanks.
Watch me making moves from India, Morocco. Now give me both your ears. I wanna tell you quelque chose.
That's the dance that you want. Okay, teach me the.
حلوة أنا جيت قولوا لي إيش طاري.
All right. Now this is the challenge. You have to do it. So now no one's been able to do it.
Okay.
Okay, so it's rapping in Darija.
ये देखिए hashtag dance with Nora के पूरे ये plug क्या करना
Hashtag dance with Nora, hashtag rap with Nora, hashtag sab kuch. You're doing it all, okay? So basically, this part, what I'm saying is, Alu anajit gululi ashtari, okay? Which means hello, like hello.
Hello.
I'm here, I've come. Tell me what's going on. Okay? So try saying it with me. Alu
Hello.
anajit
Anajit.
gululi
Gululi.
ashtari.
Ashtari.
Ashtari, like क्या हो रहा है?
क्या हो रहा है?
हेलो मैं आई हूँ बताओ क्या हो रहा है
हाँ
Okay.
समझ गया.
ألو نجيد قولوا لي أشتاري
Hello Anajit. Gululu.
أشتاري عندي ألوفات في باب داري. So what I'm trying to say is that I have thousands and thousands of people in front of my home. Okay, باب داري داري is home.
Tabdari.
Yeah, and bab is door.
Okay.
ألوفات is thousands.
Okay.
So मेरे पास 1000 लोग मेरे घर के सामने हैं. So it's literally like a metaphor for fame.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So عندي ألوفات في باب داري عندي حروبات في أفكاري, which means I have wars in my head. I have battles in my head. So it's kind of like describing,
Yeah.
things that
The-
we go
the
on.
thing happen.
Yeah, it's like it's
जो आपके साथ होता ही है, सब creative लोग के साथ थोड़ा बहुत
shit
होता है.
goes on in this brain, yeah. Right? So عندي حروبات في أفكاري وخا من نودالي عروقي أفارق, which means وخا من نودالي. Even though I'm in New Delhi, so New Delhi is representing India. So even though I'm in India, my veins are still African. So I still remember my roots. So that's like a very, very crucial line that we have in the lyrics. So وخا من نودالي عروقي أفارق, which signifies actually how I've carried myself in the last 10 years in my journey. That हाँ मैंने हिंदी सीख ली है. I assimilated in
Yeah.
India. I've taken on the role of being
आप
in
पूरा handshake भी कर
Bollywood.
लेती हो.
हाँ सब कुछ कर लेती हूँ. But still I brought some parts of me here. So I never left my identity and my roots.
That's so cool.
So وخا من نودالي عروقي أفارق عين بندم فيا وعين طلق قارب, which means I have so many eyes on me and even people around me are watching me. It's kind of the nature of the business, right? Had a steady job, now watch me, I'm starring. English. Had a steady job, now watch me, I'm starring means like I had a 9-to-5 job,
Yeah, sales exec थी.
I was, sales executive. I was a telemarketing girl. I was doing everything. And now I'm starring. And the private plane no matari.
And now airport.
Yeah, I have.
See, I remember.
I don't have my own airplane.
But you're manifesting it now.
But yeah, I'm manifesting it. The private plane no matari. But I technically live in the airport, so it could be mine at this point because I travel every day.
Oh, that's how the lyrics made sense. I was like,
Yeah.
ये थोड़ा lyric मेरे को ज़्यादा समझा नहीं. अच्छा, aeroplane सही था, airport.
Yeah.
माशाल्लाह, ये तो बड़ा लंबा
One
खींच रही
day,
है.
right? Right. So, and the private plane no matari, God's watching me, man khaf min bashari. So God's watching me, I ain't afraid of no one.
Yes.
So, yeah.
What is the challenge though, Nora?
Now you gotta rap it with me. Shake them shoulders like a Moroccan. Alright, that's the first two lines.
Okay.
قالوا أنا جيت قولوا لي أشطاري عندي ألوفات في باب داري. Go.
मैं पूरा गाड़ी चलाने पे फोकस कर रहा था. Repeat once more.
Okay. ألو
ألو-
أنا جيت
Alu Anajit.
قولوا لي
Gulili.
قولوا لي
Gululi.
أشطاري
Ashtari.
عندي
Alu
ألوفات.
Anajit.
We're gonna do 2 lines at a time.
Okay, cool.
عندي ألوفات
And the Ulfat.
في باب داري.
February.
Perfect. All
Okay,
right. Now
cool,
this is
cool.
how it's gonna sound. You ready? Oh, okay. Not
Almost there,
much.
almost there. I will practice this. I
This
will
is
go
not
home and I'll
bad.
practice.
I love
I'll do a reel and share it with you. That's it. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, start. Okay.
Okay, so what do we say? عندي ألوفات في باب داري عندي حروبات في أفكاري.
And the
حروبات
Horobet
في أفكاري.
Afkari.
Yeah, Afkari means my thoughts, my
Okay,
brain,
okay,
right?
okay.
Let's go. Ready?
قالوا إذا جيت قولوا لي أشطاري عندي ألوفات في باب داري عندي حروبات في أفكاري وخا من نودالي عروقي أفارق.
Oh, okay.
Cool.
That was fun.
Crazy girl.
Woo!
That's so cool. Listen, we have a new segment called Power Your World.
Okay.
So we're going to run that set of questions with you. Are you into sustainable fashion? Like, are you thrifting and like reusing clothes, etc.?
I mean, I wear the same clothes a couple of times. I
Yeah?
mean, yeah, you catch me with the same outfit a couple of times.
Ah, kya?
Yeah.
That's so cool. And are you trekking and all? Are you a nature person? Are you outdoorsy?
My kind of outdoors is not trekking.
Mm-hmm.
It's more like going on the beach, walking on the beach,
Oh, you're the beach
standing
baby.
on the beach.
जितनी और चीजें बीच पे होती हैं वो
Swimming on the
सारी
beach.
swimming in the sea.
Yeah, I love the beach.
Generally, क्या है आपकी sustainability practices? Is there anything that you deploy?
So we try and recycle
Yeah.
at home, but ये मतलब बचपन से हम recycle कर रहे थे स्कूल से.
अच्छा जी.
या क्योंकि वो एक चीज है स्कूल में जो सिखाते हैं reuse, renew and recycle.
Correct.
The 3 R's. So we try and recycle. That's pretty much what I do. Yeah,
That's so cool.
for now.
Yeah.
So I have a friend who started planting recently.
अरे वाह.
So like planting their own vegetable and fruits at home. So
Oh,
that's
superb.
something I might not be able to do it here because my flat doesn't. But I think somewhere else, if we have a garden, I would love to plant one day.
This is super cool. यार मुंबई की बारिश की बात नहीं की हम लोगों ने.
Please don't.
आपको नहीं
Please
जमता क्या?
don't. I don't like it. Please. And now people are gonna attack me for not liking monsoon.
नहीं
I
ऐसी कोई बात नहीं थी. आपको
cannot.
रेन्स पसंद हो ना पसंद हो
I'm
दोनों हो
not a
सकता है.
rains person.
अच्छा जी.
I'm a summer person. Hot, sun is out. Sun is completely out. Should not be even one speck of a cloud.
अच्छा जी.
You know.
Did you like have so much winter बचपन में that you wanted the गर्मी?
Yes.
नहीं नहीं देखो क्या है कि हम मुंबई रेंज की बात अच्छा विजन रूप से इधर दिखती है तो टिपे टिपे इधर अच्छा
I don't
अच्छा
mind the
सुंदर दिखता है.
rains like when it's like raining for like 15 minutes and then it goes.
हाँ.
But when it rains non-stop and it starts flooding.
नहीं मुंबई तो 5 दिन के लिए एक साथ
my
बारिश
God.
करता है ऐसा.
हाँ, तो flooding होती है and
वो
it
तो
can get
वो
really
घातक
messy
है.
and people
Yeah.
get stuck in the roads. That's not my vibe at all.
आप क्या कितनी भाषा बोल लेती हो?
मुझे दरीजा आती
Okay.
है. So Darija is what all Moroccans speak.
ओके.
तो वो हमारी भाषा है. So a misconception सबको लगता है कि दरीजा अरबी है.
वही
नहीं
मैं
है.
अरबी सोच के बैठा था.
नहीं है.
नहीं है.
ये हमारा मतलब
आपका लहजा है.
our own लहजा, our own language, जो recently recognized हुआ.
Oh, really?
Imagine, yeah. So I don't blame anybody. I know it's been a while. Took so much time for even the world to recognize it as a language. And I'll give you an example, okay? जब हम how are you बोलते हैं, right? दरीजा में हम lebes बोलते हैं.
Lebes.
Lebes
Lebes.
अरबी में كيف حالك.
Kefalik, yes.
Do you see the difference?
Oh, yes. It's similar, but it is not.
How
the
is it
same.
similar?
Halik, this is the same.
lebes عليك
Alik and
كيف
Alik.
حالك.
Oh, ha. That's
Or
not similar at all.
It's
then.
not. And some Arabs say shlonek,
Okay.
like Iraqis. Some other Arabs say kefek, Lebanese people. So it's not the same. You know, we
It's
say
not.
completely different. And you know, it's not to take away from anyone, but it's good to have representation and to teach
Yeah,
people.
no, kudos for you also to then bring into pop culture and include it in music.
Of
Because that will
course.
get it a wider reach. na?
For sure, definitely.
But मेरे को तो ये भी लग रहा था कि there is a Ulioni, there is a lady who does a which is a very
Yeah.
Is that a cultural thing? क्योंकि
That
बंगाल
is-
में भी होता है ना ये.
Yes. So I think जो होता है बंगाल में जो होता है मोरक्को में सेम चीज है. हम
हाँ.
सेलिब्रेशन के लिए करते हैं.
वो लोग भी मतलब ऑस्पिशियस जगहों पर शादी के
जी,
टाइम पे
ऑस्पिशियस शादी के टाइम में,
ना?
बर्थिंग के टाइम में, जब एक अच्छा खबर आता है.
Yes.
So weed is the same thing. And in Middle East they called it zaghruta. And
Okay.
in Morocco, in North Africa, we call it zaghrit.
Zakhres.
Zaghrit, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah,
So
and-
Ulioni is equal to Zakhres.
Yeah,
New thing that you learned
basically.
today.
Yeah. Yeah. So you know why we did that in the music video? Because in the music video, the whole idea of actually the song and the visuals is to celebrate my journey and to celebrate my success.
Yes,
so we
I
started
figured.
it off with the zaghruta,
Ulioni.
the zaghrit, yeah.
Zakhres.
Zaghrit, yeah. So that's to symbolize the celebration of what I've become today.
Congratulations.
थैंक यू. मेरी स्टोरी या मेरी जर्नी इतना मल्टी कल्चरल है, इतना डाइवर्स है कि हम एक ही कल्चर के बारे में नहीं बात कर सकते हैं.
Correct.
हमने थोड़ा कैनेडियन
तो
रूट्स
आपके
के बारे
पिताजी
में.
कहाँ से हैं?
मोरक्को.
मोरक्को. माँ कैनेडियन है.
मोरक्को.
मोरक्को.
बट आई एम
आप-
born and raised in
That's it.
Canada.
So Canada is
Born-
only your place.
Birth and raised.
बहुत. Yeah.
Yeah, I was raised there from the minute I said, hello, you know, until I was like 23.
Yeah,
You know, so that's a huge chunk of my life.
that's true. वहाँ आपके इंडियन नेबर्स हुआ करते थे क्या?
बहुत सारी है, बहुत सारी है. पंजाबी,
है ना?
या गुजराती. एक दोस्त थी हाई स्कूल में, वो भी गुजराती थी. वो
अच्छा.
अभी भी गुजराती है. हाँ. So yeah, तो
ये सब
मेरी
होता है.
मेरी बैकग्राउंड और अपब्रिंगिंग बहुत डाइवर्स है. तो मेरी फ्रेंड्स सोमालिया से है, नाइजीरिया से है, केन्या से है, इंडिया से है, जमैका से है, इटली से है, पोर्चुगल से है. सो इतना डाइवर्स बैकग्राउंड, इसलिए मेरी पर्सनालिटी थोड़ा कंफ्यूजिंग है. You know, the way I talk, the way I act, the way I carry myself, it's hard to pinpoint कि ये लड़की कहाँ से है. And now that I have India part of my identity, because I've been here 10 साल से मैं यहाँ पे हूँ.
वही तो.
है ना, तो हिंदी मुझे
Just
आती
by
है.
the way, मुबारक हो, 2014 your first thing has released.
There
had
you
released.
go.
The
हाँ, so
Sundarbans
10
come out
साल.
then.
Yeah. So imagine 10 साल में मैंने लैंग्वेज सीखी है.
अच्छी हिंदी बोल ले रही हो आप.
थोड़ी बहुत.
हाँ.
मैं कोशिश करती हूँ.
Good.
But when you know so many language,
Yeah.
क्या होता है दिमाग में? You get confusion. So last week मैं दुबई में थी promotions के लिए, and I had to speak Arabic, okay? And I was like, imagine almost speaking Hindi also, mixing it with Darija, mixing it with English, mixing it with Arab. It was the most cocktail
Khichdi.
salad khichdi in my life I've seen. And they couldn't understand why I was so frustrated. But that's the frustration of a trilingual or
Multilingual polyglot.
quadruple. Yeah, like you get, your brain just goes haywire. It's like malfunctions.
मैं पूरा agree करता हूँ आपके साथ. I agree.
Yeah, होता है. So अभी India is a part of my identity now.
Yeah.
You know, and because of India, Nora Fateh was born. You know, the brand, the star. So I have to depict it in my story. I have to depict it in the celebration of my journey.
100%. No, the way you said it also is very interesting. Your second name. I have pronounced it all wrong, I think.
Yeah, so it's actually Fateh,
Fatih?
but no, Fateh.
Okay.
Nobody's gonna be able to do it unless you're North African.
Really?
Yeah, it's hard. So
It's like you just like pull back when you're saying
yeah, you go like Fateh, and
Fateh.
you go hard on the H.
Fat. Hey.
Yeah. So what I did was I added an E between T and H
Okay.
to break it, so it makes it easier. So people can call me Fateh.
Yes.
So that's easier for a lot of people who are
Yes,
not
that's
North
true.
African. Yeah. But for the longest time, जब मैं कनाडा में थी ना, बहुत सारे लोग स्कूल में थे, वो मुझे बुला रहे थे Fatty,
Oh, really?
which was even worse than what you just did.
Yeah, no. I mean, I'm sorry if I did
It's
bring
okay.
back that memory, but
It's okay, but गोरे लोग ना ऐसे बोल रहे थे, Fatty, hey Miss Fatty, and I'm like, यार
बुली
मेरा
हुई हो
नाम
क्या स्कूल
Fatty
में?
नहीं है, हाँ?
बुली हुई हो क्या स्कूल में?
I mean, yeah, but it's not that serious.
It's not serious.
It's okay. Yeah.
ये क्या बात होती
होता
है?
है.
This is like normalizing bullying. नहीं होता ऐसा. Basic bullying is not
it's
that
not that I
bullying.
want to normalize bullying. I just don't want to normalize being oversensitive. I
Yeah.
think Gen Z आजकल थोड़ा oversensitive होते हैं, and I think millennials, we're kind of more like, yeah, I was bullied, yeah, or yeah, I'm traumatized, and we kind of just move on with life.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
But and sometimes you have to be strong. कि लाइफ में सब कुछ होता है, बुलिंग होता है, you know, traumatic situations होते हैं, and that's just a part of life, and we have to just accept it and grow with that. So I'm learning, I'm growing, but bullying होती थी, but
ये बुरी
it
है
was-
bullying, मत कीजिए किसी की.
हाँ, don't bully people. But if you get bullied, then maybe I shouldn't say that. I was gonna say fight back.
No, I mean, talk to somebody for sure.
Yeah, and fight back, because you can't let people fight you. You
Yeah.
gotta man up, you know. क्या बोला? You know?
ये गुंडागर्दी सिखा रही है लड़की. ये सब सही है, ये नहीं गलत है. बट हाँ, like अगर आपके साथ कभी पास्ट में कुछ हुआ है तो आप किसी से बात जरूर करें.
हाँ, of course, for sure. See, जब bullying होती थी, I
हाँ जी.
never used to feel like, oh, I'm the problem, or I'm nobody, I'm so shitty, I never used to take it on myself. Actually, what I used to do is try and prove them wrong.
Yeah.
And I think that helped me even in my journey
तो
in
टैलेंट से है
Bollywood.
कुछ करके.
Yeah, even like, for example, जब मैं स्कूल में थी, I think I was 11 साल,
Okay.
है गर्ल्स जो मुझे बुली करते थे कि आपको डांसिंग नहीं आती है, you can't do shit, you can't do that, you're so skinny, you're so anorexic. There were people who did that
To you.
to me, yeah. So what did I do? I went and improved my dancing
Very cool.
so that I can prove them wrong.
But बचपन से क्या डांस करती थी आप? Like what format?
So
or
जब
what?
मैं स्कूल में थी हम हिप हॉप कर रहे थे, बेली डांस, बॉलीवुड, yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah,
fancy.
definitely. Like जब मैं 11 साल की थी, हमारा पहला गाना जो मैं और मेरी दोस्तों के साथ स्टेज में थे, it was in a Shahrukh film.
Oh, really?
That's the way,
Mahi
Mahi
way.
way.
Yeah.
That was the song, and we mixed it with an Arabic song to do belly dance also. So,
Wow.
yeah. It was like ba 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 da 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 da, something like that, da 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 da, something like that.
So all the
But,
Middle
yeah.
Eastern folks watching this should guess the song name in the comments.
Yeah, I
below.
think it was an Egyptian song.
Egyptian song.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, superb.
It was crazy times.
मुंबई कब आई? पहला दिन क्या था? What do you remember?
पहले दिन जब मैं आई थी
हाँ.
मुझे याद है वो पुराना एयरपोर्ट, ये
Yes.
वाला नहीं, पुराना
हाँ,
वाला.
correct.
हाँ, और एक छोटी गाड़ी थी टाटा वाला, that small one. एक ड्राइवर था एजेंसी से और वो साइन पकड़ा था.
अच्छा तो आप लेके आया था क्या आपको तब यहाँ पे?
हाँ, तो
The-
आपने पर्पल.
Oh, purple.
Yeah,
You were with purple first.
Yeah, you know them?
Yes.
Terrible. That was traumatizing.
Reverse bullying.
that was वो तो असली traumatization था. जब पहली इंटरव्यू मैं बात कर रही थी एजेंसीज के
हाँ.
बारे में और
हाँ.
they take your money and
Yes.
they exploit
Oh, this
you.
was them.
That was definitely them. Yeah, they
Oh, ouch.
were very bad. They exploited us very badly. I'm headstrong. I was able to get out of that situation, but I left a lot of money there that they didn't want to give back to me. But it was worth it. I sacrificed something because I saw the bigger picture.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, what to say? There's no regulation.
We'll move on. So you
yeah.
came here and then that
Yeah.
day, what do you remember where
So,
you went straight to Yari Road?
Straight to Yari Road, Arshi Complex.
Wow. क्या नाम
Yeah.
बताया आपने? अर्शी कॉम्प्लेक्स.
Arshi Complex.
अरे
yeah.
वाह. तो ये 10-15 लड़कियों के साथ जो रहती थी आप बताई
जी
थी.
हाँ, आपको याद है.
फिर?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's it. And then the hustle began. The hustle began. मुझे याद है कि एक दिन मैं ऑडिशन के लिए जा रही थी और हम गाड़ी में थे और एक ड्राइवर था, वो बात कर रहा था मेरे साथ कि आपको क्या करना है, क्या करना चाहते हैं, all that. So I said, actually मुझे एक्टिंग करनी है.
अरे
I
वाह.
want to do films. मुझे स्टार बननी है and all that. Actually I was just telling him this and then he said, ठीक है तो फिर आपको मतलब पहले हिंदी सीखनी है.
अरे
I
वाह.
said, oh shit, I didn't think about that. I did not think about that. It didn't
Sure.
cross my mind.
Yeah.
It was not a part of the plan. And
How
I
could you
said,
not?
I don't know. I was so stupid. जब मैं सब कुछ पैक कर रहे थे ना कनाडा में और बाय
हाँ.
बोल रही थी सबको कि बाय I'm going. I didn't even think कि मुझे हिंदी सीखनी है कि सब कुछ मतलब जो it was just I had to obviously evolve as a
100%.
person
Yeah.
and as an artist. So he said that and I said okay, yeah. And by nature I never feel कि I'm defeated or no नहीं हो सकता और नहीं करूँगी. I never feel like that. So when he said that I was like अच्छा ठीक है तो फिर
सीख लूंगी.
सीख लूँगी. Let me find a teacher. And I found a teacher in a week and that's it. Every day he used to come. वो मेरे पास आता था and मतलब 6 घंटे 8 घंटे के लिए हम कोर्सेज कर रहे थे. बेसिक हिंदी वर्ड्स पहले, फिर वो होमवर्क दे रहा था मुझे and then I would sit at home and do the homework and you know watch this show, watch this movie and write the lines जो मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कि अच्छा ये क्या बोला, इसने क्या बोला, what is this word, and then write words which were similar to the words we use in my language. So there was a lot of things
क्या
activities
क्या
I
है?
was
कुछ
doing.
है सिमिलैरिटीज वर्ड्स में?
See, thing is, see हमारे घर में हम दरिजा बोलते हैं
ठीक है.
ना, दरिजा में बात करते हैं. Also 3 साल के लिए मैं सऊदी में रहती थी जब मैं when I was 14 years old. So सऊदी में मैंने भी अरबी सीखी. So I can speak Arabic.
Oh,
Okay,
wow.
and different
Wow,
dialects.
fluently.
Yeah, and different dialects of
Oh,
Arabic.
what?
So when I'm learning Hindi, I'm seeing these words. I'm like, अच्छा, wait, this is also in Arabic. हाँ,
कुछ
you
कुछ
know.
अब वर्ड
है, like for example, किताब,
किताब.
you know, रूह,
रूह.
Rai is
Mhm.
opinion,
Mhm.
right? Kursi,
वाह यार,
hmm?
ये तो बहुत सही है.
Yeah,
है ना?
kursi is a chair.
Yes.
In case you didn't know, I'm kidding.
I'm just like यार ठीक है मतलब मैं मतलब क्या
Yeah,
ही
there's
बोलूं.
so many, you know, like adab. There's so many tarbiyat. There's so many words that are actually Urdu words.
Yeah.
And that's why they're Arabic, but they're used in Hindi. So
Yes.
I was picking them up. I'm like, अरे मुझे आती है ये सब.
Hmm.
ये तो इतना
कुर्सी
मुश्किल
लाओ.
नहीं है. हाँ, किताब लाओ, you know. So there are a lot of things, and I'm like, okay, wow, this is gonna be fun.
Did you know दिलबर के 1.3 बिलियन व्यूज
I know,
हैं.
mad, right? Madness.
और आपके टोटल व्यूज आपने कभी गिने? सिर्फ टॉप 10 के हमने गिने, प्लस आपके चैनल के भी गिने. 2110 मिलियन है.
No way.
यस.
Guys, thank you. It's all because of you. I love you, love you, love you.
इनका फेवरेट आपको कौन सा लगता है गाना, उसके बारे में हमें कमेंट्स में बताइए ना. मैं देखना चाहता हूँ
मुझे
कि
भी
आप लोग
देखना
किस पे
चाहती
सबसे
हूँ.
ज्यादा वाइब करते हैं.
Please subscribe मेरे channel पे.
नीचे लिंक डाल देंगे हम लोग.
Yeah, support us. So I was independent for quite some time, and it was only the end of last year or the beginning of this year, I got my first record label deal with
मुबारक
Warner.
हो. ये
Thank you. Yeah.
वो कैसा लगता है? बिकॉज ये आपने खुद चार्ट आउट किया अपना पाथ. बिजनेस वुमन बन गई हो, यूट्यूबर बन गई हो आप भी एक पूरी की पूरी.
Yes.
तो ये इसमें रिस्क टेकिंग वाली भी कैपेबिलिटी दिख रही थी मेरे को आपकी.
Of course, बहुत सारा रिस्क टेकिंग चीज है because हर गाने के बाद, मतलब दिलबर के बाद, गर्मी के बाद, साकी के बाद, बहुत सारी इवेंट्स आई थी मेरे पास.
अच्छा
सो
जी.
इवेंट से हम पैसा कमाते हैं.
है ना?
सो मैं इवेंट्स करती थी, पैसा कमाती थी, फिर I used to put
गाना
it in
बनाती
my
थी.
independent project.
बहुत सुंदर, बहुत सुंदर.
So I kept doing that, and everyone's like, ये पागल लड़की है, क्या कर रही है, आपको सेव करनी है, आपको सेव करनी है. And yeah, I should be saving, but then I had an ambition and I had a vision.
Yeah.
And nobody could see that vision at that time except my Moroccan manager, Amin.
Really?
At that time, he understood my vision. I said, मुझे करना है because I can see a bigger picture, something will happen. And I was right. Having this record label, you know, now believe in me and pushing me as a global musical artist is a huge deal. You know,
Yeah.
from where I've come from nothing, you know, literally nothing. To be able to kind of tell the world कि देख, अगर आपको कुछ करना है लाइफ में, या आपके पास कुछ सपना है, or you really believe in yourself,
कर लो जाके.
just do it यार, कर लो.
हाँ.
Just do it. And I want to be that example.
Superb stuff. The only time I was a little taken, जब आप एक शो पे गई थी ना, and you said something about feminism, I was like, नहीं, but you are a feminist, you're doing all of these things.
Yes.
तो वो वाली बात मेरे को ज्यादा समझी में नहीं आई थी.
बहुत सारे लोग, उनको समझ में नहीं आता कि मैं क्या कहना चाहती थी. So we were discussing about Western society and radical feminism, and the fact that it's gone to the extent of almost encouraging the society to separate men and women, and for women to be over independent and not to want to be with men or to create families. I feel like I was not speaking about wave one feminism,
Yeah.
right? Because wave one feminism was post the 60s, at its 40s, 60s, at a time where people were fighting for rights. People were
Correct.
fighting for
Basic
the
human
right
rights
to
नहीं थे.
work,
हाँ.
for the right to vote.
Vote,
We
yeah.
were not discussing that. We were discussing about extreme and radical feminism right now in this generation, which has lost the balance in our society, which is affecting the younger generation. That is what
Yeah.
we were speaking about, which I understand a lot of people really didn't appreciate what I was saying, but inherently we cannot react with emotion. We have to react with logic, and we have to observe what's happening in our society today and have opinions and healthy conversations about it.
सवाल.
And people need to also understand my background. I come from a divorced family, right? I come from both my parents divorced when I was 10, 11.
Okay.
So I seen the negative effects of a single mother. You know, so I advocate for families. I advocate for kids to have their mom and dad together, if that suits your lifestyle. Some people obviously doesn't suit them, but I'm
Yeah.
speaking as a
नहीं,
generalization.
वो आपके ट्रॉमे है, वो उसकी वजह से आपकी रियलिटी शेप होती
For
होगी.
sure. And I feel like as a celebrity, we have a responsibility to encourage positive aspects of the societies. Today, there are a lot of people, a lot of women in the West. So I also mentioned, ये हमारी problem नहीं है India में या Middle East में. We still uphold tradition and values in the eastern part of the world. This is more of a Western, because I grew in the West, so I follow more Western
Ideology.
pop culture and what's happening and
Anji.
stuff. So I'm more watching that. So I was saying that right now in the West, we have too many people who encourage the ideology of, I can do everything by myself. I can even have kids by myself. Yes, you can. You
Yeah.
can have a kid by yourself. But why are we encouraging that? Should we not encourage nuclear families? Should we not encourage a household of two people who can help bring up children who can be good members of the society in the future? So this is what we were discussing, which was taken out of context. And of course, if people were upset, I definitely apologize for making people upset and hurting them. But
Yeah.
that was not the intention at all. I'm an educated woman. I know about things in life, and I like to discuss things and put my opinions out mainly based on my experiences in life and
Correct.
what I've gone through
बहुत
and
सही
what
बोला.
I've witnessed. And right now, fairly so, I don't want what's happening in the West to happen in this part of the world, because there's nothing better than upholding traditions and values and morals. That's
Yeah.
what keeps a society in equilibrium.
That's true.
And right now it is a bit chaotic in the West. And a lot of people discuss that, and a lot of my friends also discuss that with me. And there's nothing wrong with discussing it. I think it's good to have healthy conversations.
होनी
We
चाहिए
may
ना.
not be right every
हाँ,
time,
हाँ, हाँ.
but we should have healthy conversations. And yes, I believe in feminism, but I do not believe in radical feminism. Anything
enough.
extreme, I think, is bad.
Yeah.
Things should be done in moderation. That's
That's
all,
true.
you know.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
and there's nothing wrong with that. Even patriarchy in extremism patriarchy in general is terrible.
Yes, वही तो.
But at the
और हमें
same,
इतनी ठूस के भरी हुई है ना हमारे में तो.
I mean, I at the same time, I don't believe in men bashing.
Yeah, that's
you know,
true.
I want to elevate men. I want to elevate women in the society. They should know that we need each other, and we should work towards elevating each other and becoming high standards.
सही बात.
The other day, I was discussing with someone, women of high standards. What is women of high value? What is women of high standard? These things we should discuss. I feel like it's not discussed in our industry. We don't discuss these things.
नहीं वही इसके साथ डिस्क्लेमर सिर्फ ये है कि अगर आप हेटेरोनॉर्मेटिव रिलेशनशिप्स में हो तो.
These are for certain, if it doesn't suit your lifestyle, obviously it's not for you.
Yeah.
But this is for the general people, you know what I mean? It's like,
Yes.
for example, high value men. We don't talk about how men should be in our society, right? There are as many people were like, she's a pick me, she's all about men. That's
अच्छा, आप comments
actually,
पढ़ते हो
yeah,
क्या?
of course. That's not true. I also feel like men have lost the plot
Yeah.
in our generation, right? And we need to kind of guide them towards how they can be better men in our society. How can
Yeah.
they be better providers? How can they be, men who provide security for their family and stability for their girlfriends and their wives and their
Yeah.
children? There are a lot of things I feel like we need to discuss, but we're in a time. This is not a problem here. This is a Western problem, but we're in a time in the West where nobody cares anymore. Everybody wants to be alone. Everybody wants to do their own thing. Everybody wants, is worried about them. It's almost like they've been brainwashed. When I say we, because I was born and brought up there.
Yeah.
But it is a topic that requires, honestly, someone who can debate with me.
Yeah.
That conversation I had in the podcast, and when I watched the episode, I realized why there was a lot of people who didn't understand where I was coming from, and there was a lot of people who understood also.
हाँ.
But there was a lot of people who didn't understand, because when I was talking, I needed someone to debate me. Because if only someone could debate and go back and forth with me, then can we reach to the core of what I was trying to say.
Your dating scene has also never been spoken of.
And I like it like that.
You keep it private.
I'm a mysterious woman.
But रहे हैं आपके. You've had your share of heartbreaks, etc.
Oh yeah, I've had my share of heartbreaks. Like, I've had a terrible heartbreak like 2 years ago.
You were about to say recently, and then you said 2 years ago.
Well, I mean, it's like a year and a half ago, but it was like a terrible one, and it went on for like 3.5, 4 years. But nobody knows about it because I don't talk about it, and everyone thinks I'm talking about one heartbreak that happened to me in 2017. And I'm like, I've forgotten about that.
Yeah.
And they keep thinking that's what I keep talking about, but no. I did have something terrible happen to me recently, which I got out of.
Kudos.
Yeah, so it was disgusting, and I never want to go through that again, and I don't want anyone to ever go through that. But it wasn't, the thing is, it wasn't your typical heartbreak. मैं नहीं कह सकती कि cheating हो रही थी या बेवफा था, ऐसा नहीं था. It was something out of this world. Like, I would have never thought someone can go through something like that. So
Yeah.
I don't want to be like put in danger like that in the future.
Oh, you were in a bad.
Oh,
very
it
bad
was
space,
terrible.
what?
Like, even in that podcast you brought up, I
Yeah.
did mention that I came alive. I came out of it alive, and I'm so
Yes,
grateful.
correct.
You know, so I don't want anything like that. I want to focus on my craft, and I want to get better in my craft. You know.
Thank you for sharing, though.
Thank you.
It's
yeah.
very kind of you, and I'm really sorry that.
I like you. That's
Any of
and like we have a few people in our industry that we can do interviews with that make us feel comfortable, and we probably have like 3. You know, I can tell you literally hardly. So if you're one of them, it's a big deal.
Thank you.
It's nice to sit with you and to talk. And after we had that last conversation with the boys, and I watched it, and I was like, I like you. You're nice. I don't want to do this again. So
इधर नारियल पानी किधर मिलेगा?
नारियल पानी चाहिए.
क्या गुड्डी टाइप बिहेव
I'm
करती
like, मेरे को नारियल पानी चाहिए.
अगर आपको कभी
Yes.
भी टेक ओवर करना था मेरे को बता सकते
I could drive. Want me to drive? I'll do it.
Yeah,
Will this be the first time in your show that someone switches roles?
No, I mean we've had some.
Who the hell who did you ask to drive if it's not
Some
me?
people took over.
Who?
Amy took over. I
Oh,
didn't ask
okay.
him to, but he took over. But
Okay.
it was fun.
But you asked me, so
Yeah, I'm
I'll
asking.
do it.
Yeah,
Let's
thanks.
take over.
Yay.
Chalo, let's do
Okay, I've stopped in a good place, and our nariyal pani is coming. So we'll have the nariyal pani, and then we'll switch.
Pani.
We'll wait for the
Do you
nariyal
know
pani.
नारियल पानी बहुत अच्छा है बाल के लिए और स्किन के लिए.
सच्ची? यार मेरे को किसी ने बोला कि उसमें ना वो ग्लूकोज होता है तो वो मीठा ही है. मीठा तो है.
But in like a healthy way. It's
Moderation.
good. Yeah, it's very good. नारियल पानी. Hello.
Thank you, Mrinal.
Thank you. Here's your नारियल पानी.
Amazing.
Thank you.
यही तो ड्रीम थी जिंदगी में. हंडे हाइडिंग में बैठ के इलेक्ट्रिक गाड़ी, नौरा बाजू में गाना गाएंगे, नारियल पानी पिएंगे, घर जाएंगे.
बस यही है. मानसून के टाइम में.
आपको जब इस तरफ आना हो तब आप हम रेडी.
चलो अभी मैं
आप
आऊंगी.
ऐसे शिफ्ट कर सकती हो.
हाँ.
Wow, there are some things we could only do in the Ioniq because it has this massive space here. Okay, let me show you
It is
magic
very
trick.
spacious.
Look at that. Wait for it. You can do that. Shift.
Okay. क्या बात है? Wow. I love it.
I got locked out. You'll have to unlock me.
Maybe not. I'm thinking I'll just drive without you. Bye. I'm kidding.
Thank you. Casual तरीके से मुझे लॉक छोड़ा जा रहा था बाहर.
I was actually gonna drive off without you just
No,
for the
that's cool.
effect.
I do that with my friends sometimes.
Okay, so you can just shift the seat.
Yes.
क्या बात है? Wow.
It's like a full relax series.
Oh.
Relax Pro Max.
क्या बात है? Do you have
good to go.
insurance?
Yes. Of course I do. Okay.
It's so smooth.
Yeah, that's the beauty of being in an electric. You'll have so much power at the get-go.
I love it. तो हम
Yeah.
कहाँ जा रहे हैं अभी?
अभी आपको जिधर मेरे को घुमाने लेके चलना है, मैंने घुमा लिया आपको, अभी आप मेरे को
I
घुमाओ.
love this.
ये अच्छा है, सुंदर है. देखो, हम लोग ऐसी चीजें करते रहते हैं जहाँ कुछ नया करते रहते हैं हम लोग. But generally, what is your chill scene? What are you doing to chill?
So मेरा chill scene. Okay, honestly, जब मेरे पास काम नहीं है, like it's an off time for me, which is hardly. So मेरे पास घर है दुबई में. It's my
Yeah.
serene space. It's where I really unwind and I get my calm zone.
Perfect. But यार मजा आया मेरे को तो आपके साथ. I always thought you were a little snooty for some reason.
I know, right? Sometimes I see videos of me and I'm like, you're giving snooty. You're giving
I'm sorry.
arrogant.
I've never
You know,
ever
but-
wanted to say it and ever
No, you
said it
have
out
to
loud.
listen. What did I say initially? I have no filter, spontaneous. I get in trouble for saying whatever I think.
Yeah.
But it's okay. You gotta be honest. You know, transparency is very appreciated.
Yeah, thank you.
But वो
I
तो
just
अच्छी
feel
बात
lighter
है.
now.
Be transparent.
So
मुझे कभी
why did that come across like that?
I don't
never
know. I think it's just the way cameras के सामने एक alter ego आता है मेरा.
हाँ.
And I feel like Noriana takes over.
ये कौन है ये लड़की?
That's my alter ego.
Oh, Noriana.
Noriana. And
Noriana.
I just carry myself a certain. But if I open my mouth, you'll be like, she's the
ये
craziest.
तो अपने टाइप पे है, हाँ
girl.
एकदम
so,
बनता है.
हाँ.
और आप spiritual हो क्या?
बहुत.
हाँ.
Yeah, I am. I know some people are like, oh, I'm confused, but
नहीं क्यों?
I'm
मैं believe करता हूँ.
definitely for real. Like I'm really into. You know, I am definitely. I pray. at that time I was keeping my fast when you did that first interview.
Yes, correct.
You know, I do keep my rosas, and I'm very God respecting.
मतलब ऐसा
Definitely.
5 बार की नमाज पढ़ती हो आप ऐसे टाइप्स?
मैं कोशिश करती हूँ.
अच्छा जी,
It's
वाह.
not all the time, you know, life can get hectic and, you know, you miss your namaz and stuff, but I really try to pray. And you know why? Because like, this is me being fully transparent.
Yeah.
इस journey में 10 साल की journey, या I would say 10 साल से ज़्यादा, क्योंकि जब मैं कनाडा में थी वो भी एक difficult situation था. 4 साल का बहुत difficult time था मेरी.
Yeah.
God really protected me from a lot of harm,
अच्छा जी.
from a lot of evil people, from a lot of terrible situations, and He got me out of some crazy things. And this is my self-belief. I mean, not everybody believes like this, but I believe like
नहीं
this.
नहीं, जो आपका है वो आपकी
हाँ,
spirituality
so
है.
I always try to give thanks, and you know, just have that moment where I'm just like, thank you, because it could have gone on a
Either
different
way.
direction
Yeah.
completely. And हमेशा मेरी माँ भी कहती है कि नोरा पता है, because God's protecting you, because of your goodwill, because also like good intentions, नीयत, अगर नीयत अच्छा है, नीयत अच्छा है, so
नीयत साफ रखो.
हाँ, साफ रखना है. So what happens is, it's like वो क्या कहती है कि God keeps like a shield around you. Anything that tries to come, it bounces back. And I
Yeah.
really trust me.
You believe in that.
Because whatever happened to me in the last 4 years, if you knew, you would be like, I understand why you're spiritual and you're praying and you're thinking, because nobody would have been able to get out of what I got out of the last 4 years. It was really, that's for my documentary.
Yeah, that's
you
what,
know,
wow.
touch wood. So I try really, मैं कोशिश करती हूँ, नमाज पढ़ती हूँ और सदका देती हूँ. Sadaqa is charity in my language. We say sadaqa.
Yes.
And then I try to really like take care. If there's anyone who comes to me and they're in need of something, I really try my best to go out of the way to help, because God really helped me in the last 4 years. So
cool.
yeah, I am
कोई है
spiritual.
कि ऐसा कलमा या मंत्र जो आप पढ़ लेती हो to calm yourself?
I mean, I do. There are so many du'as that I make. Ayatul Kursi helps me a lot. Like before I leave the house, I read Ayatul Kursi. Before I sleep, it's really a ayah in the Quran that protects you.
अच्छा जी.
It's really a good ayah. So there are things, you know, and also prayers from my friends and my family members, my mom, people who, you know, really know that my intentions are good and my
Yeah.
heart is clean.
Yeah.
And I try not to hurt anybody. I think, like, I believe in karma. I do believe what comes around goes around.
100%.
So I really try
agree.
not to hurt people, and that's yeah.
Yeah.
Focus on my art. I'm an artistic soul. That's yeah.
यही है.
Yes.
मेरा काम कैसा लग रहा है आपको करते हुए अभी?
Oh, I loved it.
है ना?
I loved it. बहुत मजा आया, by the way. You're a very sweet person.
Thank you.
And I would love to do another interview with you soon.
Yes.
Yes.
ये
Thank you.
गाड़ी अच्छी लगी तो आप बताओ तो हम
बहुत-
भिजवा देंगे. कैसे भी टेस्ट ड्राइव डे आ
बहुत
जाओ.
अच्छी लगी. बस एक ही कलर है या एक और
नहीं,
कलर
इसमें है, कलर्स हैं.
है?
हाँ हाँ.
ब्लैक
वो
है.
अवेलेबल करवा देंगे. ब्लैक है ना?
Nice. Nice. मजा आया?
मेरे को तो बहुत मजा आया नोरा.
Very
थैंक यू सो
good.
मच फॉर बीइंग ऑन द बॉम्बे जर्नी.
Thank you for
आप
having
लोगों को
me.
कैसा लगा हमें बताना प्लीज कमेंट्स में. यू नो दिस इज मी सिड साइनिंग ऑफ. But yes, that's it. And parking mode is activated.
Thank you for supporting my song. I
Yes.
appreciate it.
Congratulations
Thank you
on
so
the
much.
release. I quite like it. It's a groove.
Thank you.
अब ये पार्टी में बजना मांगता है तो मैं नाच के उनको फिर मैं रैप पे ना ऐसे
Yeah,
करूंगा
you're like,
आपके
Alona
लिए.
Jeet Kululi Ashtari and the Olafets for Bebtari and the Horabets for Afghari. I love it. Okay.
Crazy, crazy. Are you a hugger?
I am.
Thank you
you
so much.
Bye. Thank
Bye
you.
now.